Hi, I'm Monica from Liquid Culture, and today I am thinking about my mamas out there, okay? Because I had to start thinking about myself too, like what am I gonna start drinking? But also those who are choosing to drink less, maybe wanting to have some balance in their life. It is okay. I'm here for you. I'm here for you with a delicious cocktail that you're gonna absolutely love, and it's all alcohol free. I grab a wine glass, or what I'm using is kind of like your gin and tonic kind of glass. Absolutely love this, and I fill it up with ice. Now, we're gonna pour one of my absolute favorite ingredients when it comes to alcohol-free cocktails, and that is Verjus. It has that nice acid, it's that wine component, and we're gonna be pouring 2 ounces of that in here. Then, I found me some lemonade, and I got a lemonade, and we're gonna be pouring 2 ounces of that as well. So equal portions of the Verjus and the citrus. And then our last component is our favorite tree sparkling pink grapefruit. So I personally am addicted to this product. It's one of my absolute favorites, and I'm just gonna be pouring 1 ounce of that over top. And that's pretty much it. Guys, do you see how easy that was? You see how difficult I was working? Like, we gotta manage our efforts and our energy right now. So this is what I need after a very, very long day, something bright, easy, fresh, and that's gonna be alcohol free. And I'm gonna look sophisticated. And then the people drinking alcohol are gonna be like, oh, can I have some of that too? You're gonna make them jealous. That's what I want you to do, because the alcohol-free realm is all about that. You don't have to just offer a club soda or a cranberry juice. Let's get excited here. So you can find this and so much more on the Liquid Culture website at liqculture.com, and yeah, just start visiting me here more often on the YouTube, on IG, because I'm here for you. Cheers.